Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about most frequently asked question. And what is the question? Question is that tell me something about yourself. This is a very important question, and in your life you must have faced this question or you will face in the future. Whether you are in a job interview or classroom introduction or making new friends, this question comes up all the time. So in this video, we will learn that how to answer this question confidently and naturally. So let me give you my example of this question, that how I tell about myself. So here it is. Hi, my name is Dipanshu Verma. I am from Meerut and I am a teacher. I have been teaching for 8 years, and apart from that, I have a YouTube channel where I try to help those who want to learn spoken English. I love white color because it is a symbol of peace. In my free time, I enjoy reading, making videos and learning new things. I believe in staying positive and always trying to grow in life. It is short and simple way to tell about yourself. You don't need to tell everything about yourself. You have to just tell your name, background and what you do, and something little bit about your personality and your hobbies. It is enough. So now it is your time to practice this question in front of mirror or record yourself. If you are not able to speak this question directly, so you can write for, then you have to practice a lot, because it is said that practice makes a man perfect. So it was from everything about this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to Idiot English for more easy spoken English video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.